Here we have a 2016 66 plate BMW 430i M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind those you do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the full M Sport styling kits, so you get the black front splitter as well as the black side skirt extensions, rear boot sport and also a rear diffuser. We also have the LED headlights with the black front kidney grills. We do also have the M4 style wing mirrors in carbon fibre, which does look absolutely superb. We have the privacy glass on the rear with the black window trim, matched with the M Sport styling kit and also the black wheels, gives you that blacked out styling look. We do have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual exit exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if we go to the interior, I'll show you a bit of the inside of this vehicle. Now going straight to the rear, you can see we do have the full Dakota leather throughout. We will have a pull down armrest in the centre with your storage tray. You also have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers on either side in the back. Coming to the front, you have your electric windows, your electric power folding mirrors, integrated Harman Kardon speakers just there as well. And there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. Now you do have the auto lights just down there. Jumping in, foot on the brake and pressing the red start button, and then the vehicle will then start. We do have a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, and you also have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. On the wipers, you do also have the auto wipers, pressing the button on the end. You also have your BC there as well. Now, as you can see, this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 65,800 miles. Now, coming to the centre screen, we can find the satellite navigation. Now, ignore that flicker, that is just the rolling shutter on the phone, nothing to worry about on the screen whatsoever. Now, you can find your satellite navigation as well as your nav, media connectivity, so you do have your DAB radio. You also have USB, Bluetooth audio, CD, DVD, aux, music collection, AM, FM, and back to DAB. You also have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Different drive modes, so you do get Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sports Plus. Now, when you're in the sportier settings, you also have your sport displays, so it shows the kilowatts and newton meters of torque that you're currently using. Now, pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. Coming down here, you have dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you would expect it to. 2 heated front seats, which again work exactly how you'd expect them to, which is a very nice addition to have for those cold winter mornings. And for those hot summer days, you do also have your ice cold aircon. Coming down here, you have your storage tray. Pop this open. 2 nice sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. You can find the key. We have your traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, and also your parking sensors. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. Now, when you're in map, you can also use that as a touchpad, so it zooms in and out. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. Now, all around this vehicle, you do get the BMW individual trim, which is a very nice addition to have, especially matched with the gloss black. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It is HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 430i M Sport. Now, the purpose of this video test drive, of course, is to show the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not fighting with steering to keep it a straight line, it's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now, do a paddle shift, which I'll use when leaving the roundabout in a second, where I'm going to take a right. We also have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multi-function steering wheel, so indicating to go left. Now, to activate the cruise control, simply press the button at the bottom and then say cruise control ready. Then use the dial on the left hand side to go up and down to find your preferred speed. Now, push up very slightly, or just going up by 1. Push up with tail fail, a bit of a click, and it'll just turn it as 5 miles an hour. So currently I've just left the roundabout, so I'm going to take it for the paddle shift. So currently in 6th, drop down to 5th, into 4th, into 3rd, back into 4th, into 5th, into 6th, and then to let the car take back over, simply just let go. Now, you can also push the gear stick to the left hand side, and it'll go into S. Now, S is the sports gear changing mode, so it rev range a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes. And that's pop it back into drive, so just push back to the right. Now, on this vehicle, we do have the integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. Now, we do also have the heads-up display as well, so it saves you looking down and up all the time to see what miles an hour you're doing. It's there in front of you. Now, when your cruise control is also set, it'll tell you what speed your cruise control is set on the heads-up display. Now we have the satellite navigation screen in the centre where you can find the satellite navigation. We also have Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We have the BMW individual trim all around this vehicle, matched with the gloss black, which is a very nice addition to have. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out if anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. But right now, I'm coming into the industrial state where I'm going to take a bite and just before an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse just to show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the centre screen the rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the screen just on the centre there as well. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.